Alright, I think we're good. Adjust my microphone away from my mouth a little. Alright. See how we go here. Alright, let's take this one. Alright, well, this track doubles around, so all roads lead to Rome, I guess. And I got something in my eye. Damn. I can hear myself muttering in the background. It happens a lot. I get thinking about stuff and my mouth starts moving and saying weird random crap. Usually doesn't make any sense. I wonder if that's a track that I know. Second one. I might release this as uncut members only. It's still about 8 degrees Celsius down here. Should be getting pretty close. Be just about the end of the track here, I think. No, but wait, there's more. Okay. Gosh. Oh. All right. I got airborne. There goes my spinal vertebrae. Oh. Alright, well I can get certainly into that, but that looks like getting bogged territory. Nice little camp spot down here though. I wouldn't get the ambo down here though. I'd need the winch at least if I did. Alright. Shut everything down. Put the drone up. Alright, drone's coming into land and we've done a bit of recon. Got a bit of an idea I think we can get across here, but I'm going to do a quick walk around and then I'm going to have to go back to base. I think I hear an aircraft too, which is why I've hit the return to home. Flight radar says there's nothing in the air, but that could be somebody without an ADS-B transponder, so in which case even this thing won't pick it up. I know you're close to stuff. Yep, I was right. I really should have their transponder on. Alright, time to make like a sheepdog.